So in this particular video, I'll be showing my directional bias on gold, GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and silver. So on gold, early this week, I posted the bias when gold was around when it was around this place, this other block. And I said my bias was bearish. I'm looking for sells from around this other block to the downside. So when gold opened, gold did a massive drop to the downside, which you actually got close to my target, but it did not hit the target because my overall target was to take out this inducement on the 1 hour time frame over here. Then this is my overall target. To hit the overall target is to take out this inducement on the 1 hour time frame, selling from this zone over here. So gold actually did well. It gave us some sales, but it didn't take out the inducement. So right now, gold, I'm seeing like a market structure shift over here. The market structure shift is not that open, but it's over here on this place. This is the inducement over here. And this other block is the one closest to inducement. But mind you, I'm not taking direct entry because I don't like using 1 hour time frame. So I'm gonna wait patiently. Once gold gets to this POI, I'll go down to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes, depending on the volatility of the market at the moment. Then when I go down to that time frame, I will now look for what? Entries. Now let me show you an example how I got this and sell and this other sell using 5 minute time frame and 15 minutes. So for the first one, this is what I normally look out for. Once market tap my higher time frame POI, like this first one over here, I'm going to go down to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Then I will look for what market structure shift like this on that 5 minute or 15 minutes. Then I'll look for what inducements on that 5 minute or 15 minutes. Then I'll look for what POI. So over here, the POI is this breaker block over here, or this other block. This is the POI. All right. Then same example for this second entry. But for the second entry, I was using what? I was using 15-minute time frame for a continuation entry. Then over here on this 15 minute, I saw what? A double break of structure. The market breaking this low and also this low. So since I saw a double break of structure, the next thing is the inducement. And this is my inducement over here, which is a single candle. And this breaker block is the one that is closest to inducement. But I actually use experience to enter this trade because I was meant to enter directly from this other block at the beginning of this other block. But most times, when your POI has a long wick like this, market will likely come up to take out the long wick. And that was why I got my entry at the middle of the candle. So I'll not miss the entry. If not, my entry was meant to be above here. If I want to use experience, it will be above the POI a bit. So right now on this gold, my bias is still bearish. So if gold is going to go up to this place at first, I'll look for sell on that 5 minute time frame to the downside. But if it gets to this POI at first, I'll look for what 5 minute buy to the upside. Then if it eventually gets to this high over here, I'm going to start looking for what sells from this other POI above here because we've got the market structure shift, inducement, other block. So let me go to silver. On silver, I posted a bias also. My bias is still the same. But silver is going to buy from here to this POI. But I'm not looking for buy because my bias is bearish. But I mark this buy zone. This is a buy zone, but I don't want to post it because I can't be looking for two buyers at a time. So my bias is still bearish. I'm waiting for silver to come to this POI while I look for sell. Or if it break past this POI, I won't wait for the second POI above here to have another sell because we got a market structure shift, inducement POI, double break of structure, inducement breaker block. So on GBP and USD, I posted that this bias I think last week that I'm bullish. And GBP USD has been on this particular POI for a long time. I don't know what is wrong with it. It has just been on this my buy POI for a long time now. So I posted it when it was here that I was bearish from this place to this place for a possible buy. And if this buy did not hold at this point, then I'm going to look for what possible buy from this second POI using what lower time frame. And if you can see here, I got a what market structure shifts. I got an inducement and I got a what breaker block entry. So if market come down to this place, you look for what buy on the 5 minute time frame to the upside. While on Gbpjpy, I also posted this bias on Gbpjpy that I'm bullish, right? That I'm bullish from here. So I don't mind all these things that the people I finished teaching. That's why my chart is just scatter like this. So on this JPY, on the daily time frame, the market tapped this other block over here for a possible buy. They don't mind all these things on my chart. So on the 4-hour time frame, the market has tapped our POY, which is this other block. We got a market structure shift, inducement, other block. So now on GBPJPY, the only thing you should be looking at for is only buy for now. All right. But if the market gets to this particular place, this will be your first target, this line, because there's an other block over here. This other block can create a short sell, but overall focus is what bullish. So you keep looking for buy. There's another POY over here. Once you get to this place, you will take a profit. But the overall target on GBPJPY is buy. And let me show you guys an example of this entry I took. How you can look for what entry on the lower time frame. You can see over here on the 15-minute time frame. I got a double break of structure here for this entry. Inducements, breaker blocks. As simple as that. So these are my bias for the week.